Look at this beautiful sight. I'm having breakfast. So this morning I'm having bacon. I've got an egg that I'm going to cook in my ring, and I've got some capsicum there, and then I'll put some sriracha sauce and some mayo on my two breads up here, which I'll toast as well. And look at this, is the place where I am. I'm still at Warnambool, I think, Warnambool. It's a nice spot. And there's my bacon sizzling away. See, beautiful. Okay, we're unparked. Okay, there you are. Okay, now for some sriracha sauce. I can open the damn thing. Okay, some sauce there. Maybe there. Okay, I don't think I'm going to put mayo this time. Okay, let's put these together and I'm going to eat them.